Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 28th, 2025. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the latest Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. Plus these 4 are 7 total. So that's a lot for a day. And I need also the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So that's a lot. Alright, the first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku number 9984. Double 894. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about? Well. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2. Okay. 2. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the only place level 2 should be there. 2. 2. Okay. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. How about the 4 in this column? Third column 4 in the first column, so the column 3. The only 2 places level 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Then, let me see. Need 1 here. 4, 8. Need an 8 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there too. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. And we have a pair again. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 and a 9 in the column next. So no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 5, and 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. We have 7 in the third row, no 7 there. The only place level 7 should be there. So the 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So we have a 7 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. 1, 7. Come on. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Right. 5 and a 1, 4 and a 3. Four missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are 3 and a 4. We have 3 and a 4 in the first row, so no 3 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. And we have here again in this big square 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 and 8 in that column, so no 7 and 8 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 7 and 8. Goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then, let me see. 2 here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left, 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Need a 1 here. Okay. How about a 7? 7 should be here. 7 should be there. Okay. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in this box. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a pair again. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have 4 and the 7 in the last row, so no 4 and the 7 in this box. We have the 4 and the 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 4 and the 7 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left 4, 8 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9, 9, okay. How about the 7? Nope, cannot continue. How about, need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 6, 9, and the 5. Need a 5. Okay. Let me think. Need 1, 5, and 6. Need a 6 here. 2, 2. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the third row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1, 1, 1, 1, yes. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Then two missing numbers in this column. Four numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes, and damn. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes, there. Two missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. 5 and 9, but also these two missing numbers should be also 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So one digit left in this big square for number 9. Two missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then two missing numbers in this row. For numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 1 and a 5, and I need a 6 here. One box left now in the second row. For number: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 8 and a 9. We have 8 now in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes down. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. The only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Two missing numbers in this row. For numbers: 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left for the 9 should be there. Two missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Here two numbers left, the 1 and the 5. Well, we have a 5 now in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. One box left now in this big square for number 1. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers: 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 5 goes there. 12 minutes. Well, it's getting faster. But we solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.